afternoon, welcome. This is Government Year 2014 past question. Question number 38 says, one major duties of the Local Government Service Commission is to dash. One major duties of the Local Government Service Commission is to. So, Local Government Service Commission performs supervisory role. So take note of that. The option A says supervise and manage the personnel of local governments. B say conduct election into local council. C say create an enabling working environment for local council workers. D say handle requests for the creation of more local government. As the interpretation of their role or function implies a supervisory role, means that Local Government Service Commission supervise and manage the personnel of local government. That is, personnel of local means bodies of local government. Option A is correct. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more videos.